हाय गाइस, आइए चलते हैं हम कुंभ मेला, क्योंकि कितना दिन हो गया है कुंभ मेला नहीं गए। आज चलते हैं कुंभ मेला, आइए चलते हैं।
From 13th of January to 26th February, millions will gather in India for the Mahakumbh Mela. Mahakumbh Mela is Hindi for sacred pitcher or pot festival. Anchored in Hindu mythology, it is sacred congregation that unfolds every 12 years, a spiritual odyssey that celebrates the very essence of human existence. Prayagraj in the northern Indian state of Uttar Pradesh will be the venue of the 45-day-long festival. The city is situated at the confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna and the mythical or the invisible Saraswati rivers. The Mahakumbh Mela is the world's largest public gathering on earth. The congregation includes saints, ascetics, hermits and pilgrims from all walks of life, irrespective of caste, creed or gender. It's open to all, no invitation required. Central to the Mahakumbh Mela experience is the ritualistic act of taking the sacred dip in the holy waters. It symbolizes spiritual purification, a symbolic cleansing of the body and soul. It is believed that bathing in the Ganga washes away one's sins and liberates one from the cycle of birth and death, which is called moksha in Sanskrit. So the festival offers a rare chance for devotees to connect with a higher purpose in the company of saints, sages and spiritual leaders. But there's more to the Mahakumbh Mela than just a sacred bath. It is also about a quest for inner peace, a desire to connect with something greater than one's self. A global thirst for spirituality that is rooted in ancient Indian traditions. The Mahakumbh Mela draws spiritual seekers from all Europe, the Indo-Pacific and West Asia, also drawn to it. 400 million people are expected to take part in the Mahakumbh Mela in 2025. The corresponding figure for 2019 was 250 million. By the way of comparison, less than 2 million pilgrims perform Hajj every year. Clearly, the Mahakumbh Mela has evolved into a global pilgrimage. He says that the event encapsulates the science of astronomy, astrology, spirituality, ritualistic traditions, and social and cultural customs and practices, making it extremely rich in knowledge. The Kumbh Mela is so massive that it is will take place during the festival, such as the traditional procession of an Akhada, which means a monastic order. The procession is called Peshwai. It moves on elephant backs, horses and chariots. There's also the ritual of the Naga sadhus taking a holy dip known as Shahi Snan or the royal bath. Naga sadhus are a sect of worshippers of Lord Shiva. They're known as ascetic warriors. They renounce all worldly possessions, live in caves and follow a rigorous spiritual practice. The Shahi Snan is a highlight of the Kumbh Mela. It features a grand procession of ascetics and hermits and other followers marching to the river banks. In the sacred tradition of spiritual renewal, there are 6 auspicious days for the holy dip. Moments Mela has only grown bigger over the years. During the 2019 Kumbh staggering numbers showcasing the growth and transformation over the years. Baths and spiritual events. Imagine waking up to the chants of Vedic hymns and the sounds of sacred rivers flowing nearby. One can also stay in the city, which offers a diverse range of accommodations from luxurious hotels to budget few nearby, including Varanasi and Ayodhya. Ragini Sudhir Chaure for DD India.
कुंभ का आमंत्रण जब भी मिलता है, पहाड़ों से, कंदराओं से, गुफाओं, मठों से, मंदिरों से निकल पड़ते हैं हजारों पांव। देखते ही देखते अजब गजब सन्यासियों की बस्ती में बदल जाता है कुंभ। हजारों हजार साधु, अलग रूप, अलग रंग, निर्लिप्त और निस्संग, जटाजूट भस्मधारी, उतरे जैसे स्वयं त्रिपुरारी। इनकी चाल में समय की थिरकन, चित्त जैसे ब्रह्मांड का दर्पण। न यश की चाह, न रस की राह, देह राग से मुक्त, विरक्त भाव से युक्त, माया मोह न प्रपंच, सिद्ध साधक सद्गुरुओं का ये साझा मंच। ज्ञान यहां, वरदान यहां, सभ्यता का सम्मान यहां। शाही सवारी से सनातन का संधान, ज्वार की तरह संगम में स्नान। साधना की भट्टी में तपकर बन गए जो कुंदन, ये महाभूमि करती है उन सब का अभिनंदन। अलख निरंजन, अलख निरंजन।
आप जानते हैं कि आज सबसे उत्तम जीन जो हम सब लोग हमारे जीवन में मिल कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि आज इतना बारी मुहूर्त, इतना उत्तम मुहूर्त है, महाकुंभ और पूर्णिमा, और इतना ज्यादा संतों यहाँ आज स्नान करेंगे, और हमारे बहुत भाग्य है जो हम यहाँ इस संतों के साथ, इस योग्य के साथ इस स्नान भी कर सकते।
जाने अनजाने में हम सब पापी हैं, क्योंकि चलते फिरते हमारे पैरों के नीचे बहुत सारे कीड़े मकोड़े भी मर जाते हैं, और भी जाने अनजाने में किसी के दुखा देते हैं हम लोग। तो जाने अनजाने में हम सब पापी हैं, तो हम सब जा करके महाकुंभ में नहा करके अपने आप को शुद्ध कर सकते हैं, पवित्र कर सकते हैं।